So increasingly when we speak to health and safety practitioners, we find that wellness, mental health and the health aspect of health and safety is what they're spending a lot of time in their role getting right. So with that in mind, we've launched the Workplace Wellbeing Show as part of Safety and Health Expo in 2019, where you'll find a raft of suppliers that are specialists in this area. There's a seminar theatre with 3 days of content in areas such as mental health. We've got inspirational speakers such as Johnny Wilkinson talking about his own personal experiences in this area. While we're thinking about well-being, one of the things we always get challenged on is the catering that you get in exhibitions, and with health in mind we've decided to open the Healthy Eating Café within the Workplace Wellbeing Show. So if you fancy a power smoothie or a salad, something healthier than the sort of standard exhibition fare, then hopefully you'll find something of interest to you.